So this one is what are we seeing in kind of outdoor living, the trends in outdoor living, and I think one of the great things, hopefully people don't get mad at me, but one of the great things about COVID was kind of the reintroduction to home. And I think what people did is they realized they're spending a lot more time in their homes, and this want for an outdoor living space or kind of a getaway right in your own backyard has really changed over the last bunch of years. So we're really starting to see these design trends move away from, just your typical, you walk out your back patio door, onto an old deck, you barbecue and you go back inside. We're actually seeing where people are transforming their backyards into these outdoor living spaces. So we're looking at things like pergolas. We're looking at screened-in porch areas. The decking materials that we use these days have come a long, long way. So you've got composites, you've got PVCs, non-slip, cooling. Again, I think people are really utilizing the outdoor space as their almost as an extension, another room in their house where they're putting money and investment in it. So from a siding perspective, again, we're, like I had mentioned earlier to some people, we're seeing people move to a four-side architecture, not just putting the wow factor in the front of the house, but now you're putting the wow factor in the back because you want to, because you're spending the most time there. You want to enjoy what you're seeing every day. Again, we're seeing a huge influx in screened-in porches. Products like Renaissance, products like Structure X. We're starting to see where they're creating these outdoor living spaces that have your ceiling fans, your televisions installed, outdoor fireplaces. So again, from your trends, the backyards are becoming an extension of the living space. People are investing in those living spaces, and there's a wide variety of products right now that really help get out into those areas, whether it's the composite decking, the screen-in porches, and that's where you're looking to a professional like us that can come and kind of help redesign. And again, all the modern technology is going to allow you to see what all that looks like in your own backyard before you've even spent a penny.